पनोरमा ग्रुप, जो सोचता है वो करता है।
Hello and Namaskar, you are watching News Hat with me. This is Aniketa Sharma. Life of children is a window into a country's culture, values and lifestyle. While Indian childhood is deeply rooted in traditions and family bonds, the life of children abroad, such as in Russia's Novosibirsk, reflects a unique blend of modern living and cultural heritage. Today, let us take you on a journey into the everyday world of children, here in India and far away in Russia. In Russia, most families live in apartment blocks. Children have their own decorated corners with toys, books and posters. Their day begins with a warm, hearty breakfast like porridge, bread or eggs to energize them for school. In India, mornings are often marked by the aroma of fresh chapatis, parathas or idlis. Children here may live in joint or nuclear families, but mornings are almost always buzzing with parents, grandparents and siblings preparing for the day ahead. For Russian children, school is formal, neat uniforms, organized classrooms and lessons not just in science and maths but also in discipline and teamwork. Teachers are respected guides and learning often includes songs, projects and lively discussions. In India, schools are equally diverse from city-based modern institutions to rural government schools. Here, academics are balanced with values, prayers and morning assemblies. The bond between teacher and student is also one of the deep respect, sometimes even lifelong mentorship. After school in Russia, playgrounds near apartments and parks come alive. In summers, children ride bicycles or play football. In winter, snow transforms their world into a playground. Snowmen, snowball fights and ice slides fill their afternoons with laughter. In India, children's play is often on streets, in community grounds or local parks. Cricket is the heartbeat of Indian playtime. Along with games like Kho-Kho, Kabaddi and Badminton, the sound of laughter and cheers fill lanes and fields alike. Festivals are the soul of childhood. In Russia, New Year is the grandest celebration. Children decorate trees, welcome the Russian Santa Claus and exchange gifts. Birthdays are marked with cakes and games in cozy gatherings. In India, festivals are colorful and frequent. Diwali lights, holy colors, Eid feasts, Christmas carols. Every festival brings children closer to culture, family and communities. Birthdays are often celebrated with schools, friends, families, rituals and home-cooked treats. Russian evenings are for family. Homework dinner with traditional dishes like soups, dumplings and pancakes and storytelling. Parents and children bond over meals and shared moments. In India, evenings may be for tuitions, family prayers or games in the neighborhood. Dinner is often a family affair with dal, rice, rotis and vegetables served hot, while conversations flow about school, work and tomorrow's plans. Beyond school, creativity and skills. Here, Russian children are encouraged to pursue creativity. Many join music, dance, art or sports like ice skating and gymnastics. Similarly, in India, children take part in dance, music, cricket, coaching, yoga or classical arts, each reflecting the diversity of the land. Whether in India or in Russia, childhood is a time of innocence, learning and joy. The surroundings may be different, snowy playgrounds in Novosibirsk or bustling streets of Indian towns, but the laughter of children, their dreams and their bond with family remain universal. This beautiful contrast reminds us that while culture may vary, the essence of childhood is the same everywhere. Thanks for watching News Hat.